Cone biopsy. Introduction. The lowest part of the uterus is called the cervix. It opens into the vagina.
Select true or false.
Correct. The earlier abnormal cancerous cells are found, the better the chances are of treating cervical cancer successfully.
Select true or false.
Correct. Treating cervical cancer in its early stages is the most successful way of curing it. Having protected sex reduces the chances of getting cervical cancer.
Select true or false.
Correct. Unprotected heterosexual sex allows the cervix to come in contact with semen, possibly leading to the spread of sexually transmitted diseases that are associated with cervical cancer. It is common to have an infection during a cone biopsy.
Select true or false.
Correct. Infections are relatively rare. It is normal to feel some cramping after cone biopsy.
Select true or false.
Correct. You may feel some cramping and will have bloody discharge. However, if the discharge becomes bright red, very heavy, or foul-smelling, you should call your doctor because these may be signs of internal bleeding or infection.
Thank you for using Explain.